Hey, what's up YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at a Broward County Florida location with the student. We're gonna run through the test real quick. This is her last practice before her test in half an hour. Okay, so let me give you a quick run through of what to expect. The examiners at this location are still not getting in the car with you. They're gonna call you on your cell phone. You have to put your phone on speaker while they give you instructions, step-by-step instructions, what to do. Someone 21 or older has to sit in the car with you. You have to have someone in the car unless you have had a driver's license from another country. So that's it. You have to have someone in the car with you. Examiners are not getting in the car. They're calling you on the phone. Alright, let's run through the test real quick. They're gonna ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
Left, away from the curve.
What else do you do?
Put the car in park, pull up the handbrake, and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. Alright, go ahead and do your turn signal. Signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. So they're gonna make sure, they're telling you to do all of these things to make sure that the lights are working. The brake lights, the park, the turn signal lights, the horn. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working, alright? Alright, so we're gonna roll from here, reverse, and then we're gonna go to the left. We're gonna run through the exact test, right? Watch this test to the end. You will see precisely exactly what is on the driving test. Alright, so we're going to, but as soon as your mirror is past the cone, you're going to turn all the way to the right. So backing out of the parking space, right? Even if there are no cones, when your mirror is past the end of the line, stop here. When the mirror is past the end of the line, that's when you turn for the car and drive. You're going to pull up on the right side because they're going to tell you to stop at some point and reverse in a straight line. So make sure you're straight when you stop. Pull up on the right side here and straighten the wheel. Straighten the car, stop about here, stop, and then they're gonna tell you to reverse straight back. So you look behind you and you reverse. Just to keep the wheel straight and make the car go straight back. And go straight back until I tell you to stop. Okay, that is good enough. Stop. Now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up 20 miles per hour and stop when I say stop. Alright, stop. Okay, cool. Alright, go around the corner here. Just go left. And they're gonna tell you to stop somewhere around here. As soon as you go around the corner, stop. Stop. The next thing they're gonna ask you to do is to park in between the cones. So remember, you just have to listen and follow instructions. When they say stop, please just stop. Alright? Alright, so go into the parking space. You're gonna stay close to the right side and then park in between the cones. So go ahead. Make sure you signal left. Every time they tell you to turn, you signal. If you don't signal, you're losing 4 points for each one. So it is imperative that you signal. Go up and line up your mirror. Go up and line up the mirror. Okay, that looks good. Alright. Go ahead. So you turn, and when you get into the middle of the space, you start to straighten the wheel. So let the car roll while you straighten it. Straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel, straighten the wheel. And stop. Alright, now reverse, straight back. And we're gonna go to the left. So they're gonna tell you reverse and go to the left. So keep your wheel straight until you're past the cone. And then you're going to go to the left. So you're turning the wheel all the way to the right. Back up, look behind you though. Don't use the mirror. They don't want you using the mirror, remember that.
Okay.
So go ahead until you're past the cone. Keep going back. Pass it a little bit more. Turn all the way right. Look behind you. When your mirror is past the middle, like right there,
Yes.
stop. Put the car back in drive. Alright, you're pulling up to the right side because you're going to do your 3-point turn. Alright, so go ahead. Closest to the right is better without going into the space.
Yes.
Alright, stop here. Alright, signal left. Turn all the way left. This is the 3-point sign. So you're gonna go on, you're gonna stop before you hit the curb over there, right? So go ahead. Put the car in reverse, turn all the way to the right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. Left shoulder, yes, like that. So you're gonna reverse until your mirror is past the middle. Okay, like that. That's good. That's good. Put the car back in drive. Signal left, turn all the way left. Straighten up on your right side here. So you're gonna make a left turn. They're gonna say make a left and then make another left. They'll tell you there's 2 lefts, so they'll tell you which one to turn at, right? So make a left here and then make an immediate left. Okay. Signal left again, you're making a left right here. Make sure you're in the right lane. Okay, straighten the wheel and stop about here. Okay. Alright, put the car in park for a second. Alright, so the test would end here. Right? This is the test. Everything that you just did, that's what's on the test. How do you think you did on the test? How do you think you would have done if that was the test?
I think I did well.
You did well. Well, you did well enough to pass the test. You just have to listen to what they tell you and follow the instruction. So I'm pretty sure she will pass the test. I'll insert that into the description at the end of this video, what she passed with, because you know they get this a point system. You can pass with anything from 70 to 100%. Anything below 70 would fail you. So I'm pretty sure she's going to pass. So I'll put that in. Alright, so again, I'm going to ask you to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Leave some comments. You know, the algorithm, the Google algorithm, or YouTube's algorithms love the comments. They like the shares, they like the likes. The more you interact with the video, the more it helps the channel. So again, I make these videos to help, so do me a favor by just interacting, leaving your comments and stuff, and subscribe. Obviously I need you to subscribe to grow the channel, so please do me a favor and do just that for me. Alright, so again, thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.